KineMaster versus VN Video Editor. Which editing app wins? Explores how choosing the right mobile video editor can elevate your content creation without complicated workflows. We'll briefly look at KineMaster and VN Video Editor to start. KineMaster and VN Video Editor are two popular mobile video editing apps. The core difference lies in KineMaster's advanced multi-layer editing and effects versus VN's streamlined, user-friendly interface focused on quick, efficient editing without sacrificing essential features. KineMaster is a feature-rich mobile video editor designed for creators who want precision and control. It supports multi-layer video, images, stickers, text, and handwriting, allowing detailed customization. Its timeline interface lets users trim clips frame by frame and add transitions, effects, and audio enhancements. KineMaster also offers chroma key compositing for green screen effects, making it suitable for professional-level projects on mobile devices. The app works by importing media into its timeline, where users can arrange and edit elements with fine control. Strengths include its comprehensive feature set and support for 4K exports. However, KineMaster's complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and the free version includes watermarks and ads. It's ideal for users who want advanced editing capabilities on mobile and are willing to invest time learning the app or subscribe to remove limitations. For creators producing detailed videos with layered effects, KineMaster delivers a powerful mobile editing solution. VN Video Editor is a streamlined mobile editing app focused on ease of use and speed. It offers a clean, intuitive interface that simplifies video trimming, cutting, and merging with drag-and-drop functionality. VN supports multi-track editing, but limits complex layering to keep workflows straightforward. It includes essential tools like filters, transitions, text overlays, and basic audio editing. The app works by guiding users through a simple timeline where clips can be quickly arranged and edited without steep learning curves. Strengths include its fast performance, no watermarks in the free version, and suitability for quick social media content creation. Limitations are fewer advanced features compared to KineMaster, such as no chroma key or extensive multi-layer effects. VN Video Editor is ideal for beginners or creators who prioritize speed and simplicity over detailed customization. It's a great choice for vloggers and casual users who want polished videos without complex editing steps. Comparing KineMaster and VN Video Editor highlights a trade-off between depth and simplicity. KineMaster excels in projects requiring advanced editing like multi-layer effects, precise trimming, and 4K exports, fitting creators aiming for professional quality mobile videos. However, it demands more time to learn and may feel cluttered for casual users. VN Video Editor shines with its user-friendly design and quick editing process, perfect for social media clips and beginners who want to produce clean videos fast without watermarks. It lacks some advanced tools but makes up for it with a smooth, accessible experience. For example, a content creator needing detailed effects and compositing will prefer KineMaster, while a casual vlogger or social media user focused on speed and ease will benefit from VN. Both apps serve different needs depending on editing complexity and user expertise. Choose KineMaster if you want professional-grade mobile editing with multi-layer support and advanced features, and you're comfortable investing time learning the app. VN Video Editor is the best pick for those seeking fast, straightforward video editing without watermarks or complexity. It delivers polished results with minimal effort, ideal for beginners and social media creators who want quality videos quickly and efficiently.